Cisco Meraki access points and MX and Z series appliances are cloud managed and run the radio side of your network. Purple adds the guest layer on top, the captive portal your visitors see, the sign-in journey, and the first-party data you collect. Purple is a cloud overlay. Your Meraki gear keeps running the Wi-Fi. Purple runs the guest experience through two standard mechanisms the dashboard already supports. It does not replace any of your Meraki kit. First, you point the SSID at a custom splash page hosted by Purple and set the splash mode to sign on with a Radius server. Second, Meraki checks each sign-in against Purple's Radius service on the standard ports, 1812 for authentication and 1813 for accounting. The accounting data is what powers your visitor analytics. The exact configuration lives in Purple's support guide. Start at purple.ai.